Hello coders, welcome to my video. So in this video, we'll be discussing very important topic that is pausing a process from another process. So first thing that comes in mind is why we are pausing a process. So there are services like systemd that is responsible for making the system up with the application and the services that need this pausing. So sometimes there may be a uh, you know uh, heavy load on the system, and this system they need to manage the process. So at that time they can make use of this pausing a process that is consuming more resources so that the other processes may not hang and the system can boot properly. And there are GDB and Stress also that is also using this pausing a process when you are applying a GDB on a app and the app got started, got stuck at certain point, and at that time you are analyzing through GDB to the process, and here we are pausing the process. We have some shell background jobs also running that also needs that pausing to save the resources. So we are temporarily freezing the non-critical service to make our system intact, and we can also temporarily stop some heavy process if we see that resources are not sufficient. Okay, so this is the very basic of why we are using this thing. And now, we will do, we'll take a simple program in which what I will do, I will take the printf and I will print process PID. And here I will take process PID is equal to percentage D and next line character, and here I have get PID of this process. And next what I will do, I will take while loop and I'll just simply run printf here, and I'll just take running. Okay, and next line, and I'll give a sleep of 2 seconds to make it more visible. Okay, so this is very simple program of a loop, and what I will be doing here is I'll just compile it, and the hyphen o have signal and have signal dot c here. Okay, I don't have these things here, so what I will do here, I will put uni std.h over here. So to resolve the warnings, and once I compile it, okay, so here I got a PID 3473, and now it's all running after 2 seconds. Okay, so here what I will do, I will take this process ID. So what it is 3473, and just what I will do, I'll just send a stop command on this process. Okay, so what is the process? 3473. Okay, so I just make it stop. So if you see here, it got stopped. And if you see ps-o, and I have PID, I have state, and I have CMD hyphen P 3473. So if you see here, your process is in T state, that is stop state. Okay. So if you see here as well, it is showing stopped. The process is still there, but the thing is it's in the stop state. So how to make it work? So what I will do, I will just put a continue and the PID 3473. So if you see again, your process is still running again. So if you again check the process here, it's still working with sleep over there. So it keep on running. So we are not handled any signal here, but still our process is reacting to our signals. So if I see kill hyphen L here, so we have SIGSTOP here and SIG continue here as 18 number, and we are taking the short of that. So it's CONT we are using, and SIGSTOP we are using only stop. So the next thing we will be checking is we need to pause this process. Okay. So if you see here, it's already there. So I don't need to stop it. I just need to pause it. So for that, what I will do, I will again take the PID of SIG. So that is 3473. And here, what I will do, I will send STP signal there 3473. Okay, it is TSTP, sorry. So if you see here, it got paused. So if I again see the process state, it's a gone through the T, but this time it's not been stopped up. Okay, and it's in the stop state, but it is something paused now. And once I continue it, you will see it's again goes for sleeping state. And it's continuing. So if I need to handle this pause operation, okay. So void handle TSTP, and here we have int sig, and here I will be putting pausing request as printf pause request. Okay, and what I will do inside, I'll just register this signal. So signal, I have sig TSTP, and here I need a handler that is handle this one. Okay, compile again, then I can have signal. And now what I will be doing, I'll just doing control Z over this. So it will show you pause request. But this process is not being paused. Okay. So it will take over the control Z as well, where in other case you will your program will be terminated. So the thing here is our SIG stop, that is not catchable, as we discussed in last video, and we have SIG TSTP, that is a terminal pause and that is catchable. Okay, so this is how we are pausing our signals and getting the output. So this is all about our video. Let's see in the next video. Thanks.